वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आपल्या या SD अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी मधील 3.2 अ लेसन इन लाईफ फ्रॉम अ बेगर या धड्याखाली असलेल्या इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप मधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. पुढील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. अटरन्स बोललेले उद्गार किंवा वाक्य. हु सेड कोण म्हणाले. टू हुम कोणाला. 1. श्वेता इज अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल गर्ल इजंट शी. श्वेता ही सुंदर मुलगी आहे नाही का. कोण म्हणाले. द रायटर कोणाला. मीना. 2. व्हेन अ पोनी इज यंग ही लुक्स हँडसम. जेव्हा घोड्याचे तट्टू लहान असतात तेव्हा ते सुंदरच दिसते. हु सेड मीना. टू हुम द रायटर. 3. इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल डे. आजचा दिवस सुंदर आहे. हु सेड द रायटर. टू हुम मीना. 4. नो द सन इज टू हॉट. नाही आज खूप उकडते. हु सेड मीना. टू हुम द रायटर. 5. I am all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. मी खूप खुश झाले. जुन्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना भेटून फारच छान वाटले. Who said मीना. To whom the writer. 6. Let's chat. आपण गप्पा मारू. Who said मीना. To whom the writer. 7. We won't get a taxi in this rain. आपल्याला या पावसात टॅक्सी मिळणार नाही. हु सेड द रायटर. टू हुम मीना. 8. देन व्हॉट इज द सिक्रेट ऑफ युअर एनर्जी. मग तुझ्या उत्साहाचे रहस्य काय. हु सेड द रायटर. टू हुम मीना. 9. अ बेगर चेंज माय लाईफ. एका भिकाऱ्याने माझे आयुष्य बदलवले. हु सेड मीना. टू हुम द रायटर. Question 2. State whether the following statements are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones. खालील विधाने चूक की बरोबर ते सांगा. जे विधान चुकीचे आहे ते बरोबर करा. A. The author and Meena were great enemies. Answer wrong. Correct statement. The author and Meena were good friends. B. Meena was a very cheerful person initially. Answer wrong. Correct statement. Meena was an unhappy person initially. C. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. Answer wrong. Correct statement. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Bangalore while her parents lived in Delhi. D. Meena was the second child of her parents. Answer wrong. Correct statement. Meena was an only child of her parents. E. The author spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. Answer right. F. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. Answer wrong. Correct statement. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. G. The scene of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her own life. Answer right. H. The beggar became Meena's role model. Answer right. I. It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. Answer right. J. Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Answer wrong. Correct statement. Meena was not able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar, but she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. Question 3. Choose the correct alternative to complete the sentences. वाक्य पूर्ण करण्याकरता योग्य पर्याय निवडा. A. Meena, who is an LIC officer, is dash dash dash. Answer 1. A pessimistic person. B. The writer was standing near Akbar Ali's a popular department store because dash dash dash. Answer 2. She was waiting for rain to stop. C. The only thought in the writer's mind till they reached the Grand Hotel was dash dash dash. Answer 2. What had brought about such a change in Meena? D. Meena sponsored the granddaughter of the beggar because dash dash dash. Answer 2. It was a token of respect for the beggar. Question 4. How did the beggar change Meena's attitude? Discuss with your partner and complete the following web. भिकाऱ्याने मीनाचा दृष्टिकोन कसा बदलला तुमच्या सहकार्याबरोबर चर्चा करा व खालील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. Beggars activities that changed Meena's attitude. भिकाऱ्याच्या कृती ज्यामुळे मीनाचा दृष्टिकोन बदलला. 1. The beggar had a positive attitude towards life. 2. Always happy. 3. Though hungry, they were laughing and clapping. 4. Playing happily in the rain on the road. Question 5a. Write in your own words. तुमच्या शब्दात लिहा. How did Meena show her gratitude to her guru? मीनाने तिच्या गुरुविषयी कृतज्ञता कशी दाखवली. Answer. The beggar changed Meena's attitude. Meena was not able to give Guru Dakshana or show her gratitude directly to her Guru, the beggar, so she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. Question 5b. Why would Meena be sad initially? Give reasons. Pick out sentences from the story which prove that Meena was a pessimist. मीना सुरुवातीला का दुःखी होती त्याचे कारण द्या. मीना निराशावादी होती हे दर्शवणारे उतार्यातील वाक्ये लिहा. Answer. Meena was very sad initially because A. She was forever unhappy. B. She had the habit of complaining about everything. C. She was never satisfied. D. Her attitude towards life was negative. E. She would be pessimist all the time. F. She never had anything positive to say on any subject. Question 6a. Find antonyms of the following words from the story. कथेमधून खालील शब्दांचे विरुद्ध अर्थी शब्द शोधा. Optimistic, pessimistic, drizzle, poor, new, old, lie, truth, ugly, beautiful, prone, love, hell, paradise, unhappy, happy, disrespect, respect, unimportant, important. Question 6b. Through the points below showing Meena's encounter with the beggar that transferred her completely. मीनाचे आयुष्य पूर्णपणे बदलून टाकणारी तिची त्या भिकाऱ्याशी झालेली भेट दर्शवणारे खालील मुद्दे वाचा. The sequence of events are jumbled up below. घटनांचा क्रम भेळमिसळ झालेला आहे. Arrange the events according to the occurrence. त्या घटना गोष्टीत घडलेल्याप्रमाणे मांडा. Fill in the number as per sequence. दिलेल्या कंसात घटना क्रमानुसार संख्या लिहा. 1. I saw from the window the beggar and the young girl playing on the road. 2. They enjoyed playing in the rain as if they were in paradise. 3. On seeing them so very happy, I felt ashamed of myself. 4. I decided to change using the beggar as role model. 5. It took 2 years to put the change into effect. Question 7. How did the beggar change Mina's attitude towards life? भिकाऱ्याने मीनाचा जीवनाकडे पाहण्याचा दृष्टिकोन कसा बदलला? राईट इट डाऊन इन 5 to 6 लाईन्स. हे 5 ते 6 ओळीत लिहा. 1 इज डन फॉर यू. एक आपल्याला करून दिलेले आहे. 1. द इन्सिडंट मेड मीना टू लुक at her own life. 2. She realized that she had many comforts of which they had none. 3. But they knew how to be happy with life as it was. 4. She found that she had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. 5. She felt ashamed of herself. 6. She decided to change her attitude towards her life. Question 8. Summarize the story with the help of points given below. खालील दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे या कथेचा सारांश लिहा. A. Mina's initial attitude. B. Mina's meeting with Sudhamurti in Mumbai. C. Beggar's incident. 4. Change in attitude. Do's कोणत्या गोष्टी कराव्यात? 1. Use important or relevant points or incident or events short forms of the text. महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे वापरा किंवा महत्त्वाच्या घटना वापरा. 2. Make a paragraph containing the message, theme, etc. असा एक उतारा तयार करा ज्यामध्ये संदेश असेल, मध्यवर्ती कल्पना असेल. 3. Use your own language, taking help of the sentences in a topic and keywords. दिलेला मुद्दा व महत्त्वाचे शब्द वापरून स्वतःच्या भाषेत लिहा. डोंट्स कोणत्या गोष्टी करू नये? 1. Select irrelevant or less important points or incident or events. जे मुद्दे संबंधित नाहीत किंवा महत्त्वाचे नाहीत अशांना निवडू नका. 2. Exceed the word limit. शब्द मर्यादा पाळायची आहे. 3. Reproduce or copy the text. दिलेल्या ओळी आहे अशा लिहायच्या नाही. Answer. Mina's initial attitude. Initially, Mina looked at life in a negative way. She lived alone in an apartment and led a comfortable life. Because of her pessimism, people avoided her. Then she was transferred to Mumbai. The writer met her in Mumbai after many years. She was to speak with her, but Mina insisted. Sudhamurti was surprised to see a vast and remarkable change in her attitude. The writer was surprised and asked Mina what had brought about the change in her. Mina said that a beggar who lived on the footpath opposite her house had changed her. He always played happily with his granddaughter, although he did not even get enough food to eat. Mina would give them the leftover food. Observing his life, Mina was forced to look at her own life and she felt ashamed of herself. Mina realized that she had many things that the beggar did not have. she had nothing to complain about. So she decided to change her life. It took her 2 years to change her attitude and develop a positive attitude towards life. Question 9. Write the above summary making Meena the narrator. मीना कथा सांगणारी आहे असे समजून कथेचा सारांश लिहा. Begin with I work in Bangalore in LIC. सुधा was my friend. अशा प्रकारे सुरुवात करून लिहा. Answer. I work in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. I live alone in an apartment and my parents live in Delhi. Had only one friend, Sudha, and we met almost every week. After some days, I realized that Sudha tried to avoid me. I could not understand the reason there. Later, I shifted to Bombay. A beggar and his granddaughter lived across the street and I always saw them from my window. They used to play with each other happily. I gave them the leftovers from my house. They would eat the food and sleep on the footpath. Their life forced me to look within myself. I realized that I always complained about life. In fact, I had so many things that the beggar and his granddaughter did not have. Yet I thought that life was unpleasant. I decided to change my life and it took almost 2 years. Many years later, I saw Sudha in Bombay and no wonder she tried to avoid me. I knew the reason then, so I was forced her to join me for tea so that we could chat. She was reluctant in the beginning, but then she agreed. I could notice that she was surprised to see the change in me and asked the reason. I told her how a beggar had changed my life. I repaid my guru, the beggar, by sponsoring his granddaughter's education after his death. Question 10. Divide the class in 4 groups. विद्यार्थ्यांचे 4 गट तयार करा. Collect 4 different stories written by Sudha Murthy. सुधा मूर्ती यांच्या 4 वेगवेगळ्या कथा निवडा. Select a story for every group. प्रत्येक गटासाठी एक कथा निवडा. And write it in the form of play. आणि ती नाटकाच्या स्वरूपात लिहा. Enact it in front of the class. व त्या नाटकाचे वर्गात सादरीकरण करा. Language study. Question 1. Punctuate the following sentences. खालील वाक्याचे विरामचिन्ह करा. A. Did you give any गुरुदक्षिणा to your guru? I asked. Answer. Double inverted comma मध्ये Did you give any गुरुदक्षिणा to your guru? Question mark. Double inverted comma complete. I asked. B. No, there isn't anyone like that, she said. Answer. Double inverted comma मध्ये No, there isn't anyone like that. Double inverted comma complete. She said. Question 2. A. Add a suffix to the following words and make nouns. खालील दिलेल्या शब्दांना सफिक्स जोडून नाम शब्द तयार करा. 1. Kind, kindness. 2. Happy, happiness. 3. Ignore, ignorance. 4. Assure, assurance. 5. Imagine, imagination. 6. Depute, deputation. 7. Manage, management. Question 2. B. Make 4 meaningful words by using letters from pessimistic. Pessimistic या शब्दापासून 4 अर्थपूर्ण शब्द तयार करा. आन्सर सिटीज, एपिक्स, पेसेज, मिस्ट. मिस्ट म्हणजे धुके. क्वेश्चन 3. चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ए. मीना, इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, आय सेड. आन्सर I told Meena that it was a beautiful day. Hey, I am really excited. It's nice to meet old friends. What are you doing here? Said Meena. Answer. Meena exclaimed with excitement that it was nice to meet old friends. She further asked the writer what she was doing there. See, we won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. Answer. I grumbled that we would not get a taxi in that rain. D. So what? We will buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel, she said. Answer. Meena immediately asked her what difference could it make and further told her that would buy an umbrella and go to the Grand Hotel. E. Did you give any Guru Dakshina to your Guru? I asked. Answer. I asked her if she had given any Guru Dakshina to her Guru. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे लिहिता येतील. पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वी मधील 3.3 स्टॉपिंग बाय वुड्स ऑन अ स्नोवी इव्हिनिंग या कवितेच्या सुरुवातीला असलेल्या वॉर्मिंग अप चिटचॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी मधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास नक्की लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. जर चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर अशाच प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ सर्वात आधी पाहण्यासाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व शेजारील बेल आयकॉन घंटी नक्की दाबा. थँक्यू.